I always record the rehearsals, so nobody feel for himself.
You been recording?
Yes, from the start. We are a big yard, it is a professional place. Professional engineers.
Yeah.
And professional
Yeah,
drummers.
last night rehearsal.
So you have to
So you have to recording now?
Yeah, stop the recording now.
Oh. Alright.